Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying out this Beetles nail tip set. So according to the Amazon reviews, people are saying this is like a Gel X dupe and that their nails sit on for weeks and it's strong and sturdy. So I'm going to test it out today. These are the nails they come with. They are full coverage ballerina style clear nails. And this is the application guide. And I'll show you that in depth a little later on. This is the lamp, which honestly, one of the main reasons I got this set is because of that lamp. I was looking for something similar to that, and in that little bottle there is the glue. That is how the cord looks. I just want to show you guys up close. It's that round sort of cord that doesn't quite look like an Android, but not like an iPhone either. So now I'm just trying on the tips and seeing which nail sizes fit me. As far as the sizing for the nails, they are probably about average. I did have to size up for my two thumbnails. Usually I'm a 2-3 because one of my thumbnails are bigger than the other, and I sized up to a 2-1. This is the application guide. It tells you to buff your nails, apply the glue to the nail, and then slide the nail onto your nail. Hold it and cure it, and then polish it to your liking. I do add a couple of more steps that I think will help your nails stay on a little bit longer. And an FYI, I did prep my nails before the video. I filed, I buffed, I applied nail dehydrator, and I applied a nail primer. Definitely, you want to definitely buff your nails at minimum. And you can wipe them down with an alcohol wipe to dehydrate them. So now here's another step that the instructions don't tell you, and that is to file the inside of each nail. I'm using a drill. I have like a cuticle bit on the drill, just so I can make sure I really get in there. My other bits were a little bit too big for my nails, so that's what I'm using. If you don't have a drill, that's fine. You can just try to buff inside as best as possible. But I highly suggest this step because it's going to help your nails stay on for longer. So after I was done filing the inside of all of the nails, I went ahead and just wiped them down. I have a little alcohol pad here, and I'm just wiping off the whole nail completely, making sure there's no dust particles or debris left over. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with the nails. So I'm applying the nail glue onto that buffed area of the nail, which is the part that is going to sit on my nail. So I applied a good amount. You don't want to overdo it because then you're going to have a little bit of glue seeping out from the sides, and then you got to wipe it and all of that. So just kind of be careful. With this nail, I did apply a little bit more than I should have, so I would just wipe it off. And you can go ahead and put your nail in the little lamp. I'm holding the nail down with my index finger, as you can see here, but later on you'll see a better way to hold it. This was a little awkward filming this video because of how my tripod was in front of me, and then I'm trying to make sure I get in the frame so you guys can see it. So it was just a little awkward, and I had to kind of figure out an easier way to hold the nail. And then I also kept moving the lamp over out the way. So it looks like it's a little awkward, but in real life it's very, very easy. That lamp is excellent, and I will be using it a lot. So I'm just going to show you me applying the rest of my nails. And also an FYI, the gel, well, the glue, I call it gel, but it's like gel glue. It dries pretty fast. So you want to make sure that your nail is nice and straight. And just wipe off any excess glue from around it. So you can see here, I didn't even have to hold it down no more. After a few seconds, the nail, I would say about 5 to 10 seconds, the nail is stuck on, and then you can let it go. Also, make sure you are holding the nail down firmly until it is at least stuck on your nail and you don't see any air bubbles. If you let it go too soon, it'll start lifting up and you'll see air bubbles and it probably won't adhere properly. So just hold it down firm. Make sure there's no air bubbles while you're holding it down. Put it in the lamp, let it cure for a few seconds, and then you can let it go and continue to cure. So I do this to all of the nails. After I let it cure in that little lamp, I went ahead and put my whole hand in my regular size gel lamp. Now on the box for this set, I believe it says it cures between 30 to 60 seconds, or I think it recommends you cure from 30 to 60 seconds. Because there's no like digital numbers on this or anything like that, I think it cures for 60 seconds, but I'm really not sure. Either way, this little lamp is very powerful. It definitely cured the nails good enough where they felt sturdy, but like I said, after I applied all the nails, I went ahead and put it in my regular size lamp for just a minute, just to ensure that everything was cured properly. So after this, I'm going to start buffing and filing the nail. At this point, you can cut them. I'm leaving them this length. I'm using a nail filer just to file the tip. You know how sometimes the nail tips have that little bump on the top of it. So I'm making sure it's nice and smooth and even. And then I'm taking a buffer and buffing off the shine completely on all of the nails. After I do that, I go in with my drill. And you don't have to do this with your drill. I mean, if you don't have a drill, you don't have to use a drill. You could use a nail filer. But just check around your cuticles and the sides of your nail and see if any of the nail glue seeped out. Because it's kind of hard to see when your nails are clear. But once you start putting on polish, you're going to see if there's any like dried up glue on the side. So I go in with my drill and just cleaning up that cuticle area. Now I'm going to use a foundation gel polish, and I'm using Beetles as well. So I'm applying that to all of my nails. When I apply gel polish, I like to apply these fingers first, and then I leave the thumb for last. Only because sometimes like we don't notice when we're applying gel polish, but we might move our finger around. Like, I don't know if this ever happened to you before, but sometimes I find that the tip of my nail will have like more gel polish. It looks a little bit bulkier, maybe because of how I was holding my nail while applying the polish to it, and it kind of moves down in that direction. So I like to do my 4 fingers there, let that cure for about a minute, and then I go in and I do my thumbnail. So this is how they look. This is with the Beetles foundation base coat on it and cured. Really nice. As far as the nail quality, they do feel nice and sturdy. You can see here, like, these nails are on. Okay, they are really strong. But the nail quality is good. But I have nails that I like better than these particular Beetle ones. So I think in the future I will use my other nail tips instead of these. Now I am just testing out how a color looks. I do end up using this color for all of my nails. This is actually another Beetles product. It's a like pink nude color. I do not know the name. Beetles gel polish usually don't come with a name, it comes with a number, but also it was in a 6-pack set. So I will leave the link to that 6-pack of gel polish in the description box below, as well as the links to all of the other products. So you can see here I am in natural daylight. I'm by my window. They look very, very pretty. I like them a lot. I really wanted to leave them clear and do the design that I end up doing, but I end up polishing all of my nails that nude color. So as far as the design for my nails, I did make another video on how I do them. You guys will see in the end of this video the final result of my nails, and I'll keep you updated in the next couple of weeks and show you and tell you how my nails are holding up. I can't promise that I will actually keep them on because I change my nails like so often, but I'll keep you updated. And this is the final design. Again, I made a separate video and I'm showing you guys how to do this style. It's like sort of like bondage harness style nails. I've done these in the past before and I absolutely love them. This is the final result though. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.